Today, we will be making oven-baked fries. This recipe is brought to you by the Virginia Family Nutrition Program. Begin by heating your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to wash your produce in cold water thoroughly. Next, cut your potatoes into strips. The potato strips should be uniform and resemble traditional French fries. Next, brush a baking sheet with 2 teaspoons of oil. Place strips of potatoes on the baking sheet in a single layer. Season the potatoes with salt and pepper and drizzle the remaining 2 teaspoons of oil on top of your potatoes and mix. Bake for 25 minutes and rotate the fries every 10 minutes. If the sides are not browned, cook for additional time. Serve and enjoy.